Hello, my lovely people. Yes, una welcome again to Harmless TV, where we dey yarn the real mega wetin dey happen. So yes, my lovely people, another matter don dey shele again. This one, the man use mouth take finish the whole Nigerian leaders. Yes, this man name na Professor Patrick Lumumba from Kenya. If una see wetin this man take use mouth do Nigerian leaders, he said they be miserable, say they be the thing, say they be wetin honorable, he said they be horrible, he said they be monopotos. Hey God, this man use mouth finish them. Maybe small matter, now say sure. If to see a Nigerian person might come out now come talk this one, and therefore don't they find as they want to sanction him, or as they want to put one allegation or two for his head, so that they will go back and send him for prison for waiting he not do. But this man no fear, because we therefore they talk the thing self now inside that their pan have been a frying pan meeting so for Africa United have been waiting they call him. This man he get agility and I battle am well yes, because he see mouth and he get power, he get the strength take come out come yarn come tell them how they come dey function, say they know they work at all. So I beg make I leave na make una just take a look at the video, make una for know wetin dey shele. Make una not forget to also subscribe to our YouTube. This one where they call Harmless TV. Say for here we go they show the reality of wetin dey happen for this world, so that people go know how they go take position themselves. Yes, my lovely people.
Now that Nigerians and Africans refer you to as honorable members, the question is, are you honorable members or horrible members? We live in a continent where legislators are measured by the number of funerals that they attend, where the efficacy of legislators is measured by the number of weddings they attend, where their significance is measured by the number of men and women that they support on the day of their weddings. And therefore we live in a continent where the legislator is misunderstood. We live in a continent where legislators are not called and expected to perform their traditional functions. We were told then that you honorable members of the House of Representatives represented us. We were told then that you are our servants. And for a long time we believed that you are our servants. But over the years things did change, and we started believing that you are no longer our servants and that you had become our masters, and that therefore even when you claim to represent us in many African countries and you remind us that you are our servants, we do not believe you, because it is the newspapers that are left to say what you say. The question that you must ask yourself, and this is a personal question, now that you have been given the honor and privilege of serving Nigeria, now that Nigerians and Africans refer you to as honorable members, the question is, are you honorable members or horrible members? Because the question as to whether you are honorable is determined by the service that you render to the people. Now that Nigerians have given you the opportunity to think for them, to imagine for them, when it is reported in the Green Chamber magazine and we talk of Nigeria as being a great country, the question is, and we will be asking you, are you midwives for the good things of Nigeria? Are you midwives that deliver bouncing baby boys and girls, or you are midwives that kill the children in the cradle? Nigerians will be asking those painful questions which are necessary but uncomfortable. Even as I am congratulating you, ask yourself, do you deserve to be congratulated? Because my congratulations are only useful if you are servants of Nigeria. Nigeria is a great country, But I hold the view that Nigeria should be in the same space economically as Germany is. Nigeria should be in the same space politically as the United States is. I look forward to the day when Nigeria will have reawakened her agriculture, and that legislation will be produced and publicized in the magazine which speaks to agriculture. I know Nigeria can be great. I know Nigeria will be great. But Nigeria can be great and will only be great if you men and women seated here choose that Nigeria will be great.
Yeah, welcome back, my lovely viewers. I hope I don't see wetin happen for there. As this man they use mouth, they catalyze them. And na truth wetin he talk because for Nigerian leaders now, when they raise their shoulder, now for burial, for marriage, for this and that, nobody fit touch life, nobody fit use the money, the millions where they thief, they do better thing for inside the country. So the thing now come make everybody scatterize for the area, for the country. So because if you look around, instead when they go empower you to get better job, to get great job, or to go better school, they not go do more. They rather they bribe you with that 10 kobo so that you will go they shoot the key for them. But they just keep you aside for like a slave, you understand? Because now them be the slave master. Now if not, wetin we won't call them again. Country when the be say they get leaders, but the leaders not they move. Country when the be say they call them, say them be giants of Africa, but then now them be the ants of Africa. If you look around, because so that country, so my people, now very shameful thing, for the country when be giants of Africa not to get light. Before you know, they say not partake light. Before you know, they say a generator wahala. And for that particular country, so water na problem. And we don't even dey hear and say they say their satellite don't expire. Hey, this one another matter. Ijo say their satellite don't expire for inside Nigeria. No, don't hear that kind of thing again. I beg go make una tell una prepare. Una President Ogbogbo make it go renew. Abi make it go empower the wetin they call am the satellite because very soon now even television I no go see again. And I don't know what it's going to happen as they tell me say Twitter when be saying I then get level. You come person market. If they you say waiting you carry come, you know good. They know they buy that kind goods. You go back now for house. Come they talk say you won't close the market. And I don't see that kind of thing before. I never see them for my life because now you violate their law. Yes, if they say waiting you talk, you know good. You go collect your words back now. I don't know how many videos when we say we go post, even for Facebook or for YouTube or for Twitter when we say they go come out and they go say they violate their law. So we not get power to shut them down. I not just understand. And make una not forget say to shut Twitter down for that in our country go still affect you now because even una when be the president, what you won't use now my nyash won't use according to themselves as they even come they talk and now say even their internet say they won't shut everything down. It good though as now they talk and make una shut them down because my nyash go still shut down. After all, now they watch television now, NTA now go still shut them. After all, now they watch YouTube now go still shut them. All of them go affect all of them. Even now when they for the top set, now get lights to watch all those things. Poor man waiting consign now. Poor man when they for inside farm, when never even see money set they eat. Now you go see money take put for generator to buy generator or to even pay NEPA bill to watch video. Now I go affect pass because now when they for the top, now see they use all those internet. Now they use all those tweets and everything. So make my fans now go take do one because all these things no go carry una go forward though. You no go just take una go anywhere. You go just the return on our back. I don't know say this time now when it be say everybody they plan to even go forward. Now when be Niger they plan now to go backward. To some years ago when it be say no television, no radio, no internet, no YouTube, no Twitter, no Facebook, no Instagram, no WhatsApp, no Viber, no no emo, no many things. So make una notice na poor man na they do because to me, let be poor man na they do una self. But the most important thing be say abeg, if you carry something come for person market, you say no go buy wetin you carry come. Abeg, carry your matter they go home. Yeah, go rest, go change your goods. Tomorrow bring better one, make you carry come. You no go tell Twitter wetin they go do. You no go come just they come to Twitter, go they comment the rubbish or they comment nonsense. You think say they go leave you. You know they happen like that, my dear. You know they happen like that. As no not for our country, only that place no. Nothing say na go won't control the world. No fit because for inside that our country itself, unknown government, bandit, Boko Haram, ISWAP, SARS police, all of them, armed robbers, kidnappers, even Yahoo self, all of them don't take over. So none of you control anybody, because for our country, none of you control anybody for inside our country. So make una take time. So my viewers, thank you all for watching, and I beg don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, will be Harmless TV, so that we will hear this kind of bunga news when they say we they break come out. Bye for now.